everyone! So today we're going to be making a lighter holder or like a lighter case using this clipper lighter. Never made anything round like this before, so it's going to be a new challenge, but I'm sure we can do it. So first you're going to need some saran wrap or some plastic wrap, folding it in half. Now we have our lighter here and we're going to be rolling it up. We're going to go ahead and cut some of it off, and we can use this piece for another project. I'm just going to roll this out. Now you just want to squeeze on it for a little bit until it gets that shape. I have a little piece of polymer clay here and I have my toad reference. Now it's time to sculpt the toad head. Yay! Now we're going to use a little bit of liquid Sculpting to glue the pieces together. I have his jaw right here. I'm going to go ahead and glue it in place. Liquid Sculpting to glue everything together. So it's time to paint the eyes. It's easier to paint the eyes first before you go ahead and sculpt the whole toad head. Any acrylic paint will do. So it doesn't really matter what kind of acrylic paint you have as long as you have it. Some translucent clay here. We're going to be making the oyster mushrooms. And the toad and mushroom lighter case is complete. I really like the way it turned out. Hopefully I inspired you to create one as well, or maybe have like an idea that maybe you might want to make something similar to this or exactly like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.